I always love to talk about handling difficult situations because I know they happen to us almost every time, and we must devise strategies to deal with them if we don't want them to overwhelm us or take us away from our success. Whether you are dealing with a financial issue or a marital struggle, or maybe it's a problem from your workplace or business, whatever the problem is, you can handle it. There is no problem that doesn't have a solution, and there is no solution that is above your capacity, so you've got it all covered. Now, the issue is, at those moments when you are going through a difficult situation, your mind is unsettled and destabilized. You are worried and anxious, thinking about so many things, depending on the severity of the situation. If you are concerned about how your future will be or what will happen next, whether things will work in your favor or not, think of the worst case scenario. The worst can't still be the worst for you. You will still find a way out. There will still be a solution. You will still find a better option. What I want you to do in those moments when you are overwhelmed by the situation you are going through is to settle your mind. Try to focus on something good. Also, try to take your mind off that situation. Tough situations don't last, but tough people do. The only difference between you and your situation is that you can put it under control. From my blog, I've shared many tips about how to handle distractions. You can check them below. I know dealing with such issues at times is not easy, and it can make you unproductive or unnecessarily agitated. There is a certain frame of mind you must conform your mind to, and that is a mind that accepts everything. It is a mind that is optimistic and open-minded. It is a mind that grows and learns from every situation. It is a mind that gets better at solving problems and makes the best out of every situation. Those challenges make you stronger and better. They make you wiser and smarter. I know when you are going through them, it's not easy. But at the end of the day, things get better and life gets easier. Not because challenges in life get easier, but because you get stronger. You know better and therefore can do better. So I encourage you not to worry or be bothered about whatever you are going through. Count it all joy. I see you moving forward and achieving tremendous success in your journey in life. Read next, How to Engage Your Mind in a More Productive Way. Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get my books on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, I Say Music got you. Contact sopiansofgod@gmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. 9 ways to avoid distractions. 2. Making sense of our strengths. 3. The role of Africa in the ongoing wars. 4. Democracy is a scam in Africa. Here's what works. L1. 5. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments.